Dear students, from today we are going to start the numericals of chapter number 1 of the subject physics, class 9. The name of the chapter number 1 is physical quantities and the measurement. We are going to solve the numerical. The first numerical here it is calculate the number of seconds in a day, in a week, and in a month, and state your answer using SI prefixes. So before we calculate the number of seconds in a day, we must know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, and there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, and there are 24 hours in 1 day. Keeping these informations in our head, we must know that 1 day consists of 24 hours. So we write here that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. And since we know that 1 hour consists of 60 minutes, if we want to calculate that how many number of minutes in a day, then we multiply this 24 with 60. 60 multiplied by 24. This will give us 0. 6 4s are 24. Carry 2. 6 2s are 12 and 2 14. So 1440 minutes. These are the minutes in 1 day. If we want to convert minutes into seconds, then we will have to multiply 1440 with seconds, because 1 minute has 60 seconds and 1440 minutes has, we multiply this with 60 and we get the answer is 86,400. It means that there are 86,400 seconds in a day. The second thing which we were asked to write our answer in the prefixes form. I hope that you must be familiar with some of the prefixes while studying this topic. For example, one of the prefixes is kilo, which is equal to 10 to the power 3, and it is represented by the K, and usually in our common life it is also called thousand. So 1000, which is written as 10 to the power 3, is represented by the letter K. It is one of the prefixes. And other very known prefix is 10 to the power 6, which is mega, and it is represented by the capital letter M, and it consists of 6 zeros, that is 10 lakh. So in place of 6 zeros, we can write this as 10 to the power 6, and it is mega. So if we want to write it, it is 6,400 seconds. I write here it again here. It is 6,400 seconds here. Then if we have to write these seconds in prefixes form, then we will write this in the powers of 10. For example, we can write it as in the power of 10 to the power 3. If we have to write this in the 10 to the power 3, then we will have to move the decimal, which if it is not represented here, it is at the end of every number. So we will move it 3 digits towards left. Then here it will be the position of the decimal. We will write it as 86.4 and then 00 and then 10 to the power 3. And this 10 to the power 3, since it is a prefix, so we can write that 86.4 into 86.4 kiloseconds. It means that 1 day has the number of seconds, and these number of seconds are written in the form of the prefix K. Since it is our common practice that the zeros After the decimal can be omitted, so I have written the answer 86.4. Thank you for seeing this video. See you in our next lesson. Thank you very much.